Benjamin, we miss you. Come back to us at some point.
How many points?
7 or 9, depends on if it was middle or outside.
Middle.
7. You guys know this. This is not our first time playing Jenga. Yeah, the internet issue totally screwed me up. The accelerated 7-8 class, what I explained is all decimals. And none of them can get to decimals. Yeah, it's literally blocked. So if you work at the WEC, fix the internet. Breaking the fourth wall. Jagger, how you doing? You're all done? Alright, the well, you give me whatever you want first. The percent is 70%. And the decimal? Yep, 0.7. If it makes you happier to put 70, that is totally fine because you can help you remember the 2 decimal place shift. Send someone to the tower. Let's go. 13, gone. Evelyn. 5. Simplify.
Which one is that? I don't know.
131C, right? Part C. Make sure you're using your brain. Watch out for positive, negative. Order matters. You can use a calculator on this one. Make sure you're using your brain. Make sure you're using your brain. It's Evelyn who's the question master. Does Evelyn think we're ready? Yeah, because I'm going to need the how, right? All right, Evelyn, talk me through. What'd you guys do? And got?
Negative 0.54. No, 1.54.
Guys, this is like your paper should have some work on it. You didn't just punch the whole thing into a calculator. You should have some work showing what you did. Then,
Times negative 5?
yep, because this set of parentheses is negative 5, and then you got what?
7.7.
And that's positive because negative times negative is positive. Send someone to the tower. 5 is gone. Claire. What? Fine, I'll skip you.
No! I picked 12.
12.
Bless you.
Part C.
The wrong one.
You haven't even read it. Bless you.
Thank you.
Write expressions to represent the lengths of the ropes.
No, we're not.
Part C. Over here.
The outer one 9 is the inner one 7. You do that. You actually have to do it.
in morning class, the tower fell over twice in the first 3 turns.
Yeah.
Literally, it fell over on the first one, then we pulled a block out, and then it fell over on the next
That's
one.
always a bummer. Then you have to put it back.
Yeah, the kids thought it was hilarious.
Yeah.
Also, because I forget who it was, but they pulled it out, set it on top, like walked away, and it fell like after they turned their back.
Mr. Hudson, what's your favorite type of candy?
Done math homework candy.
I did this. Yeah, I took my No, I'm being for real, Mr. Hudson.
I'm being for real. Are you ready to give me the answer to this question?
No, I'm not.
Well, you're the
Focus
question
on
master,
that.
so I think you should
I
focus.
got my homework thing, and now I have 5.
Miss Fisher, we need help. We need help.
Just use a
Why don't you use your other teammates?
Use a calculator. Guys, a calculator will not help you.
I think my brain is
Hey guys, we're not solving for M here. We're trying to write an expression for each rope to just say the length of the rope is blank and blank and blank, or you can say pluses or what. Like, we're just saying the length of that rope is based off what we see. Not like we will solve for M, but not in this part. Just write M. It's not asking you to find the answer. It's not saying equation. If it's M, it's M. So M. So when we go to figure out M, I bet it's going to be convenient that these line up right here. That's going to be convenient. No, the expression to represent the 2 different rows.
Oh yeah, it is 10. Yeah, M equals 3, and if M equals 3, it's
That's fine. Yeah, it's because if you did vert to A and B first, and you already knew what M was. Yeah, so you're fine. Claire, how you doing?
Where's the done?
Sweet. What's the top tightrope?
The top one?
Well, okay, start with. Okay, well then you did it wrong. Do it live with me in this moment.
Oh, yeah.
What is the top tightrope? We have M.
M plus 1 plus 5.
Yeah, and then the bottom tightrope.
We could do 2M plus 4.
Absolutely. 12 is gone.
You could.
Send someone up.
Amara. Yeah.
We're on our second lap. Jesse.
It's just because I'm special. Thank you.
7. Where is A? Where is B? Where is C?
I would do the bottom part of the tower.
It's one of my favorite songs, honestly. Well, you wouldn't know that the band is called Faces, and you wouldn't probably know that the song is Ooh La La. What? Would you have known that it was by Faces? Yeah, it's a weird band name.
Amara, you put it on top. Put it on top.
Wait, put it on.
Yeah. You not know how to play
They left
Jenga?
those 2 off because they were too dangerous. You're all good. Just means
Amara, did you get outside? Did you get outside? Yeah. So put 9. Do 7 plus 9 and give this answer. Do some math up there, bro. What's 7 plus 9? Girl, you should know that. It's 16. Oh, thank you, James. I didn't even know that.
So you could be getting your homework done right now. If you don't want to do your homework during math class, that feels like an interesting choice, but you could be getting your homework done right now. Just to make sure we're seeing this correctly, the 0 is there, and the 12 is there. Guys, once you get done with the question on the board, you shouldn't be like sitting and staring. You should be doing more work so you're not taking home homework. Like, go ahead and do part B. Jesse, how you guys doing? You ready? Sweet. Send me on my way. All right, Jesse, talk me through this. Where's A at? Where's B at? And C is at? Yeah, because if we take our distance of 12, divide it by the fact that there are 4 jumps, we find out that each of those gaps, our scale here is 3. 7 is gone. Send someone to the tower. Sydney, pick our next number.
Ooh, go Sydney. Actually, no.
14. Give me the percent and the fraction. Give the percent and the fraction. I was going to be surprised if you had right. So that's why I looked at it twice.
Looking a little sketchy over there. Run. Wait, you know how many points do you have? 86. Yes, Sonia, do that math.
And yes, I made the math interesting because, this is math class. Yep. Yeah. Where are you? Which team? You're that team over there with Jesse? Yes, you're south. Because this is north, like this direction of the building.
So if I look there and I want to a continuous line, I will end up in a big lake.
I have a brilliant idea. I should paint that one little square tile with a compass. Where I should get a kid to that one square tile. Just like paint a compass on it. So we have to make sure that when we paint the compass, we paint it in reverse. Because when it goes up there, because east is this way.
That would be really cool.
Yeah, I bet Sophia would do that.
Yeah, anybody that likes art.
How we doing, guys? All right. Sydney, you can start with whichever you want, but we need the percent and the fraction. Yeah, because if we read this is tenths, hundredths, thousandths place, so 85 thousandths. And our percent? Yep, because if we use our giant 1 method of do the same thing and get this to 100, it's 8.5 over 100, or 8.5%. Sydney, send someone to the tower. Well, Sydney can do it if she wants. Thomas, pick our next number. 10. How long is each of her leaps? So what is M? Right, what is M here? I bet it's convenient that they both start with an M, and therefore they could line up right after the M. That feels convenient. It would help if you draw a little line where the M's line up, because then it's easier to look at. You have the answer. Now remember, you're going to be able to tell me how, right? So, Thomas, what'd you guys get?
3.
And how did you get 3?
If you look at M and 1 fits in the end 3 times.
What? So you can't just trust what things look like. So while that might be true, we can't trust that. So what Thomas said was we could effectively do this and size it out, right? And say like, all right, 1, 2, but actually like, I don't know that this is drawn correctly. Because if I do this again and drag it over, I don't think I can fit a 3rd. It almost looks like 2.5. So I believe you that it's 3. I agree with you, but we need a different way to figure it out. You can throw it to Cameron if you want. Because she is in your group.
5 plus 2 equals 7, and that's on the top, and then on the bottom, in the area that's 7 on the bottom, it's 4, and then M, which would be 3, because 4 plus 3 equals 7.
Guys, our lines line up exactly like what Cameron said. The top is 7. So the bottom here also has to be 7. How do we get there? M's got to be 3. That's how we figure it out, is comparing with the top. All right, 10 has gone sent someone to the tower. Sure, yeah, I mean, you are someone, right? Lucy. 22. You need to have the work written out showing me how you can do this without a calculator. You will be asked to do this on the mastery. It is just like what we did in class yesterday. I know, I heard it. I'm going to ignore it. We'll chalk that up to Friday. That we call it improper fraction. It's not a good name. Yeah, it's just not a good name. I want more like a stacked fraction or something, or if it's like stacked, like built on top, like real strong on top. So it'll help us have less fun because we're working on this right now. So I think your team's talking about it. If you want to engage with your team, I think it would help.
Wait, can we use a calculator?
You can use a calculator to check if you want, but also remember fractions are a little tricky to type into your calculator, so make sure that we follow the process that we were practicing yesterday. Improper fractions are better. I don't like that they're called improper. Oh, look, using your time wisely. Lucy, how's your team doing? Does it say you have to? So, like, as long as your answer is one of the correct forms, like it could be improper, could be mixed, could be decimal, I guess, if you must. All you guys snacking are making me hungry. Yeah, for real. And I still have some cake in the fridge, but it's probably no good now because I stuck it in there yesterday when the kids showed back up. All right, Lucy, you guys about wrapped up? Like you're ready? All right. Lucy, talk me through your process that you could do without a calculator. A greater than 1 fraction. So 8 times 3, then add it to the 2. So come on, smart boy. 26 thirds.
And then we converted 4 1/2 into 2 ninths.
Well, for a moment it was 9 halves. But I bet then you got that way by doing keep, change, flip. So if we keep, change, flip, then multiply. Okay.
And then on the top we got 52, and on the bottom we got 57.
And that's because fraction multiplication just goes straight through. That is absolutely correct. If we want to flip it back to mixed, how many 27s can come out of 52? Only 1. And what would our remainder be? 25. My radio's really loud. All right, that was 22. Sweet, it's gone. Send someone to the tower. And Wes, pick a number. 20. Same basic process. Nice work, Jesse. It looks very sketchy. Jesse, points. 18 plus 9.
Oh, wait a minute. I took out an outside ball.
How often? Wait, are you saying you're south? Sorry, Jesse, you guys are south. Now wait, who are you? You're north. Never mind. So neither of you. So same math, just different team. All right, here's the answer to those of you that are curious. Google updated their SSO policies, and that's why our internet is behaving funky. They're on it. They're fixing it. So just be patient. I don't even know what an SSO is. Wes, how you guys doing? Perfect timing as the song fades out. All right, Wes, talk me through.
So basically, we changed the mixed number to an improper fraction
Of
22 over 5
and
4 over 3.
and then
We multiplied
and you got
80 over 15.
You guys are brilliant. Good job. I keep thinking I can't be any more impressed than when I come back to school and you guys blow me away all over again. All right, 20 is gone. Send someone up. Jace, what's your favorite number up there? 15. Give me the decimal and the fraction. Do you want to check with your team at all? Oh, you okay? Guys, we got a little backup happening pretty quick. we should probably wait until. All right, points.
No, too bad.
2 points. We need to know if they're gonna knock the tower over or not. Wesley thinks it's gonna fall. Yeah, he can. In the rules, he has 30 seconds. He got worse. Like, he tried, it just got worse. Alright, fix the tower. Alright, so, hold up. You guys can do this quietly. Jace, what did you guys have for 118%? So minus 6.
The fraction form is
118 hundredths. Okay. Oh, you said 1 and 18. Hey, you can do this quietly. Wait, are these the same? Yes. What's your decimal? Well, that's what you just said. No, I'm just being. Yeah, they're set the same. 1 and 18 hundredths. All right. Whenever the tower is rebuilt, you can come and pull a block. Chase went. Eli. I know you're up there working on the tower, but Eli, you're going to need to pick a number. You can tap it if you want. You said 21? Ooh, this looks really challenging. I don't know. Claire. I'll take it.
Wait, I have to go pull for our team.
Guys, I'm trying to forget.
You work on it, and I'll be out.
Mrs. Fisher did. Either way, we took care of it.
No!
We got a little backup because we're doing the math so quick, but guys, you could be doing more math right now while we're waiting for our classmates. Unfortunately, we're out of time.
No!
I don't make the schedule.
Can you make
I
a
didn't
schedule
have
just for
my
math?
So the
20 plus
remaining closure problems are your homework. We will start the mastery on Monday. Have a great weekend,
That red is
guys.
so juicy.
Yeah? Okay. I don't like you saying that.
It's like too
To describe a marker as juicy is just
There's too
weird.
much juice in it.